In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to run HTML code in Sublime Text Live Server. For it, what you need to do is that you need to click on Preferences and then you need to look for Package Control. But there you can see there is no Package Control option here. So we need to install Package Control here. So for it, we need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and it will open this. So here we are going to say install package control. So we'll just click on it and it will start installing. And once the install is complete, it will show you a pop-up like this. Just click on OK. After that, you need to again press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. And this time you need to say here, install package. Here you can see package control, install package. So we need to click here, install package. And there you can see it will start installing. On the left bottom side, you will see this and it is complete. After that, it will show you a pop-up like this. And here you need to search for browser sync, SYNC. And there you can see browser sync. So you need to click on it and there you can see it will again start installing browser sync. So it will take a few seconds. So right now I will just fast forward the video. So once the browser sync is installed, you will see an option like this called browser sync. So you need to click on it and here you can see start file. If you click on it, it should show you your HTML file. And if it is showing, then it means it is okay. So right now you need to click on this launch option. Just click on launch. Wait a few seconds. Allow the access. And there you go. And in the URL here you can see localhost 3000. It means it's running in live server using Sublime Text. So let me just make it smaller like this. And if I just make any changes in my Sublime Text, it will be automatically reflected in the browser. So right now here in the body, if I just say here PG color, let's say it will be red. And if I now save this, Ctrl S, or if I just click on file, then click on save, there you can see the changes happen over here automatically. So this is how you can run your HTML code in Sublime Text Live Server. I hope this was useful to you. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.